Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gold Star Academy. இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ்ல நம்ம பார்க்க போறது 8th standard historyல first lesson Advent of Europeans. Advent of Europeansல book back questions எல்லாம் பார்த்துலாம் வாங்க. Choose the correct answer. Who laid the foundation of Portuguese power in India? Portuguese power in India, who laid the foundation பாத்தீங்கன்னா Alfonso de Albuquerque. His name is Alfonso de Albuquerque. Which one of the following European nation was the foremost attempt to discover a sea route to India? இந்தியாவுக்கு sea route கண்டுபிடிச்சதுல வந்து first attempt பண்ணது யாரு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா போர்ச்சுகல். In 1453, Constantinople was captured by Dash. In 1453, Constantinople was captured by the Turks. Next question. Sir William Hawkins belonged to England. William Hawkins belonged to England. The first fort constructed by the British in India was St. George Fort. சென்னையில் இருக்க St. George Fort. It is the first fort constructed by the British in India. Next question. Who among the following Europeans were the last to come India as traders? இந்தியாவுக்கு கடைசியாக வந்தது யாருன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the French. French were the last to come India as traders. Vancouver on the Tamil Nadu coast was a trade center of Danish. Vancouver was the trade center of the Danish. Next question, fill in the blanks. National Archives of India (NAI) is located in New Delhi. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, was patronized by King John II. The printing press in India was set up by Dash at Goa in 1556. Printing press in India was set up by Portuguese at Goa in 1556. The Mughal Emperor Dash permitted the English to trade in India. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir permitted the English to trade in India. The French East India Company was formed by Colbert. Dash, the King of Denmark, issued a charter to create Danish East India Company. Christian IV. Christian IV, the King of Denmark, issued a charter to create Danish East India Company. Match the following patla. The Dutch came in year 1616. The British came in the year 1600. The Danish came to India in the year 1602. The French came to India in the year 1664. So the Dutch in 1616, the British in 1600, the Danish in 1602 and the French in 1664. Next, true or false? Autobiography is one of the written sources. True. Coins are one of the material sources. True. Next, Anandarangam was a translator served under British. Anandarangam was a translator, that is true, but he served under French. Okay, so this is false. Anandarangam was a French translator. The place where historical documents are preserved is called archives. True. Consider the following statements and choose the correct answer. So, 4 statements they have given. Governor Nino de Cunha moved Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa. Portuguese were the last to leave from in India. The Dutch founded their first factory at Surat. Sir Thomas Roe was sent to Jahangir's court by King James I of England. So, 4 statement nalla parunga. Governor Nino de Cunha moved Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa. Portuguese were the last to leave from India. Sir Thomas Roe was sent to Jahangir's court by King James I of England. So, these statements are correct. find out the wrong pair. So which is the wrong pair that we have to find out? Francis Day, Denmark. Pedro Cabral, Portugal. Captain Hawkins, Britain. Colbert, France. So which is the wrong pair? Francis Day. Why it is a wrong pair? Francis Day is a English merchant. He is an English merchant. So Pedro Cabral is from Portugal. Captain Hawkins is from Britain. Colbert is from France, and Francis Day is from English. He is an English merchant. Answer the following. Give a short note on archives. Archives is the place where historical documents are preserved. The National Archives of India (NAI) is located in New Delhi. It is the chief storehouse of the records of the Government of India. So this is the note about archives, these 3 points. Okay. Next question. Write about the importance of coins. Coins are good source to know about administrative history. As compared to the literary sources, the chances of manipulation is very less in the case of coins. Thus, they are the authentic archaeological sources. So, coins are the important material sources because the information from the coins are authentic. Okay, friends. Next question. Why Prince Henry is called Henry the Navigator? He himself is a navigator, and Prince Henry of Portugal is who is commonly known as the Navigator. He encouraged his countrymen to take up the adventurous life of exploring the unknown regions of the world. So, he is called as Navigator. Name the important factories established by the Dutch in India. The Dutch founded their first factory in Mazulipatnam, Andhra Pradesh in 1605. The Dutch founded their first factory in Mazulipatnam, Andhra Pradesh in 1605. The other important factories in India were Pulicat, Surat, Chinsura, Kasim Bazar, Patna, Nagapatnam, Balasore, Cochin. So these are the important factories established by the Dutch government in India. Next question. Mention the trading centers of the English in India. The English had established their trading centers at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bharuch. Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bharuch. So these are the trading centers of English in India. That's all, friends. Video பாருங்க, ஈஸியா படிங்க. நம்ம சேனலை subscribe பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.